Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hello. Good to have you. My name is Yesenia and you'll find many cooking and baking videos within this channel. But on today's occasion, I'll be showing you how to make tres leches overnight oats, which is a quick and easy breakfast. And these are all of the ingredients you're going to need. You're going to need 1.5 cups of oatmeal. I did not use unflavored. I actually used my favorite kind of oatmeal, which is the apples and cinnamon by Quaker. But of course, use the flavor of your choice. In addition to that, you will want to combine 1 cup of milk with 3 tablespoons of condensed milk. And into that, you'll also want to incorporate half a can of evaporated milk and mix really well, just like this. In addition to that, you will need ground cinnamon and the fruit of your choice. I absolutely chose to add to mine bananas, sliced strawberries, raspberries, and blueberries, but you can certainly add in the fruits of your choice. And lastly, you will want to grab mason jars or just use regular containers to add in your oatmeal into. These little mason jars are perfect for me, as of course oatmeal is filling and I don't eat too much in one single meal. So these I did purchase from the 99-cent store. But once you've gone ahead and incorporated your tres leches mixture very well, now you can go ahead and grab just a half cup of your oatmeal and add it into your cup, container, or mason jar, whatever you have at hand, just enough. Once you add in your mixture into your oats, just slightly over, go ahead and top them off with some ground cinnamon. Of course, this is to your liking, so I do like a lot of it, so I'll just sprinkle it straight across just like this. And then feel free to add the top or seal them up and set them in the refrigerator until they absorb fully, or you can leave them overnight. Now for the fun part, you can go ahead and fill your oats. But of course, I like my oats not as thick, a little bit on the runnier side. So I am adding a little more mixture to mine before topping them off with my fresh fruits. Of course, you don't necessarily have to go with the fruits that I chose, but definitely would add a nice touch to add in pecans or walnuts. I did add in walnuts to mine this time. But as far as fruit, you can certainly dice up some apples, papaya, or even nectarines. But honestly, the possibilities are endless with this yummy breakfast idea. Next, go ahead and sprinkle on some more ground cinnamon on top if you'd like, or honey, flax seeds, whatever you would like to top these off with. Works perfectly, but mine was ready to enjoy just like this, with sprinkling on some additional cinnamon. But this is how these overnight oats ended up. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you haven't already, please hit that like button and subscribe to our growing YouTube family. Thank you so much for your support. It does mean a lot. And with that being said, I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.